did not like have a neighbor. Kip was loud and he was drunk and could. I need a brick, said Bird. And then I go to the beach. Bird walked in the sand. He tipped her toe in the water. She ate a snack. I love the beach, she said. Jaden, I saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky. Oh no, said Bird. That hawk will eat me. Bird found a good place to hide. Alas, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home. I saw a big hawk, said Bird. Oh no, said Kip. I didn't like hawk. Where was it? It was at the beach, said Bird. Well, it come here, Bird. I don't think so, said Bird. The tree is a very safe place.